Grabe si Jokic, umi-step back parang point guard lang ha. Ginawang bata yung sentro ng Suns. MVP mode si The Joker kahit na parang nadagdagan ito ng timbang. Kayang-kaya pa magpasabit kahit isang bote ng coke na lang ata yung vertical. Heto ang buong highlights ng masterclass ni Nikola Jokic. Tara, panoorin natin.
Christian into Jokic, and Jokic around the corner on Morris. Jokic in the lane, and 1 of 4. Now Jokic around the corner. And Jokic, oh my. Jokic sensing, Jokic coming in. Drew. Now Jokic is in the lane.
Panalo ang Denver kontra Suns 122-105. Nikola Jokic with 26 points, 11 rebounds at 9 assists. Na 1 assist na lang sana para sa kanyang double-double performance. Like and subscribe lang mga kabady para sa latest basketball news and highlights.